Diagnosing thermostat cooling issues requires patience. Always wait for the 5-minute delay before judging the system's response to avoid false negatives and equipment damage. When testing a thermostat's cooling signal output, begin by confirming the system's design and components so you understand whether the thermostat controls a single-stage compressor, a multi-stage heat pump, or a variable-speed air handler. Consult the system wiring diagram and label each terminal to avoid miswiring. Use a digital multimeter set to the appropriate low-voltage setting to measure voltage or continuity at the thermostat output while the stat is calling for cooling, and log readings at the thermostat and at the condenser unit to find where the signal is lost. If using a meter that applies its own load, be aware it can affect modern control electronics. Always respect the manufacturer's built-in 5-minute compressor delay. This anti-short cycle timer protects the compressor from damage due to rapid restarts and provides an accurate test window. Start timing when the thermostat first indicates a cooling demand, and only assess compressor response after the timer completes. If a faster diagnostic is required, jumper the cooling call terminals directly at the outdoor unit's control board rather than at the thermostat to safely bypass the delay, but only do this with power off when making the jumper and restore power before observing operation. This isolates the thermostat from the test and prevents unnecessary stress on the compressor. Observe the system indicator lights. Many modern units flash a cool on status while in delay and change pattern once the compressor is permitted to start, so note blink codes and document them with timestamps to correlate with your multimeter logs. Finally, record ambient and return air temperatures, any recent power interruptions, and the age and service history of the outdoor compressor to provide context for intermittent faults and to inform whether component replacement or control module updates are needed. 3 frequent mistakes are testing too early, which yields a false negative and risks repeated short cycling. Solution: always wait the full 5-minute delay unless you intentionally jump terminals at the board and then observe with caution. A second mistake is measuring only at the thermostat and not at the condenser, which misses wiring or transformer failures. Solution: take comparative readings at both ends and inspect terminal blocks and low-voltage transformers for loose connections or burnt contacts. A third mistake is misinterpreting indicator flashes or ignoring control board codes, leading to unnecessary part replacements. Solution: consult the equipment manual for blink code definitions, note timing and pattern, and use that data to target repairs rather than replacing major components on suspicion. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and provides project checklists and contractor ratings to simplify hiring for cooling system diagnostics and repairs. Contractors can create profiles, receive qualified leads, and showcase past work to grow local business.